Alright, so if you want to get an idea of what's new in her collection, you can visit and take lot of lessons as well if you have
And-
any problem in that.
And so now we are again launching another collection of block print, which will be in a Pret line, which is very similar to what I'm wearing.
So these days, I just gone through with some designs. These days, in a formal wear, like a coat suit, females are also using block print, bandhani and lehriya in between their some designs, collars, cuffs. So do you also experimenting these kind of designs in your collection?
Not in our present collection. We did a collection on Lehriya, which was inspired by Kathputlis, and we did a collection for Rajasthan Fashion Week, which was inspired by Lehriya and Kathputlis. So whole collection was on Lehriya, and we used different techniques of Lehriya. Like Lehriya was never used on organza, net, so we used net and organza also as a part of in Lehriya.
Do you see Sanganeri print and Bagru print also a bright future for Rajasthan?
Of course, I see a lot of designers are working on it. Like one of the Rajasthan designers, Puneet Balana, works a lot on Bagru. So of course, I see a lot of.
Even I'm also wearing the same print. So what do you find? Like, which is your favorite print?
I personally like block printing because the technique that they use in it, plus the dyes and everything, it's all very natural, organic. So I personally like block printing.
Okay, if I want to ask you give quick suggestion to all the young people here who want to pursue their career in fashion. So what should they do?
I think there are two things to pursue any dream, that is your passion and hard work. If you have both of them, then nothing can stop you.
But in India and especially in Rajasthan, the first challenge comes the financial challenge. So if someone is not able to opt a big fancy course, then how can they pursue their passion into profession?
So see, nowadays social media has a lot of influence in the market.
And I think biggest example is Nancy Tyagi.
Yeah, so I mean, even if you start small, like I tell, like a lot of women in the village, they are doing so good. They are making small handicraft products. They're taking simple pictures of it, and they just put it online, and they are getting buyers out of it. I think what you can do is make small things, what you can create out of it, take nice pictures of it, put it online. Collaboration is such a big platform. I mean, if you think someone who is good looking, who's nice, who has a good influence, like an influencer, give them, send them their product, tell them to wear it. Tell them that you're not from a good financial background and you would like them to promote it. I think there are a lot of influencers who will be ready to do it. If your product is good, and your finishing is good, I think that nothing can stop you.
Well, जब हम कुछ बन जाते हैं तो कभी कभी हमारी जर्नी में हम किसी को देखते हैं वो हमें हमारा सा लगता है, हमारी जर्नी सी लगती है. Did you see young kids in your journey who want to become like you or who is coming to learn from you or something like that?
We have a lot of interns interning with us, and in a lot of them I see there's a lot of passion to learn, to do something new, to create something new. Yeah, it's always there, and sometimes they inspire me to work harder and again start working hard.
So you also learn from them?
Obviously, every day is learning.
Wow, that's amazing. So, moral of the story, wherever you reach, nothing matters. We have to learn each and every day, and we learn new things, no matter what. So, do you find anybody to say like कि तुम्हें तो सब बना बनाया मिल गया था, like?
I haven't come across someone telling me that, but because I think some of my friends have seen that even though my parents and my family are a youth support, but they see me struggling, like I'm there at my work every day. And they see me working hard, so I think I have not come up with anyone. In fact, a lot of people come and tell me that you are blessed with such a good family and you have everything. Why are you working so hard? You can just enjoy, travel the world and do whatever. But I said this is my passion and this is my baby, and I
how
want to do
long
something.
you took for your entire journey till now?
It's been 16 years now.
16?
Yeah.
How old are you?
21.
Alright, this was a wrong question. We should not ask age with a girl, although beautiful girl. Alright, it was a nice talking to you. So, you already suggested a lot of things, but I just want to ask you once again in a different way, like what is one pinpoint with your journey you want to give these young people?
Like I said earlier also, passion is what drives you to take
I want to
yeah.
interrupt you here. There are so many young people who thinks I love fashion, this is my passion, but very soon they get fed up. So what mantra you want to give them to they can understand and identify what their passion is about?
So see, when I went on a journey, obviously fashion is a very glamorous world. तो दूर से सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है हाँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा fancy है, there's so much glamour, there's glitz and all that. So you get inclined towards it. But to understand that is this really that you want, because fashion is not easy. There's a lot of hard work, long hours. Even to make one simple thing, it takes so much effort. It's from dyeing to cutting to taking the right measurements to stitching to getting the work done on it to making a khaka, finishing, and finally, if your client doesn't like it,
You have to do it all again.
yeah, I mean, all your products, I mean, if I make something, it's not necessary that it will be, liked by my client or they will approve it. So you have to be ready for everything. So it's a very long process and it's a very challenging process. Plus, there is a lot of finances also involved. So you have to be very sure that what you're getting into. If you're really passionate, some people are very different from each
Yeah.
other. So first you have to understand its
That
passion
was
is
my
not
exact
what.
question.
Yeah.
How these people can actually understand?
So they can only understand when they experience it first hand. कई लोग ये करते हैं, मेरे पास अभी भी स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं कि मैम हमें ये कॉलेज में सबमिट करना है, आप बना के दे दो. तो अगर मैं बना के दे रही हूँ तो आपने क्या सीखा? अगर आप जाके करवाओगे कारीगरों के साथ बैठ के, तब आप सीख पाओगे कि एक्चुअली उसको बनाने में कितनी मेहनत लगती है और आप में वो है पेशेंस कि उसको आप बनवा सको और उसकी टेक्निकल नॉलेज की उसको बनाते कैसे हैं. आज मैं कुछ डिज़ाइन कर दूं पेपर पे, बट मुझे पता ही नहीं कि वो कैसे बनेगा और वो बन भी सकता है कि नहीं. आज का एक्सपीरियंस, आई थिंक मेरी एक इंटर्न आई, उसने बोला मुझे 10 डेज़ में कलेक्शन बनाना है और ये पूरा इस पर मैं हैंडवर्क कराऊंगी और वो 10 पीस चाहिए. मैंने बोला अगर आप मेरे पास एज अ क्लाइंट भी आओगे तो भी मैं आपको मना कर दूंगी, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई थिंक यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग फर्स्ट हैंड. अगर आपको फैशन डिज़ाइनर बनना है, 10 पीस खुद लग के टेलर के साथ खड़े होके कटवाओ, डाई करवाओ, देखो आपको सही में मज़ा आ रहा है. जब कपड़े डाई होके आते हैं आपको खुशी मिल रही है. लाइक एवरी टाइम माई असिस्टेंट इज हियर, जैसे ही कपड़े डाई होकर आई टेल हर मुझे दिखाओ, बिकॉज इफ इट्स एग्जैक्टली एज पर व्हाट वी थॉट, हम दोनों इतने खुश होते हैं अरे कितना अच्छा बन के आया है, कितना
ऐसा
अच्छा
होता है,
लग रहा
अभी भी होता है 16 साल बाद.
एवरी सिंगल डे, मतलब कोई भी बहुत अच्छा होता है. वी गेट सो एक्साइटेड कि जैसा हमने वर्क सोचा था वैसा हो गया, जैसा कलर इमेजिन किया था वैसा हो गया. तो इफ आर यू गेटिंग एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट?
Do you think male designers also feel same?
दे शुड.
Alright, there is a basic difference in male and female expressions. So, alright. So, I would like to sum up this कि again, जैसा हमने पहले बात किया, मेहनत का तो कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है. टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा, मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी और अपना पैशन पहचानने के लिए भी आपको काम ही करना पड़ेगा, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि मेरा पैशन क्या है. So, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारी प्यारी सी गेस्ट स्पीकर के लिए. And I
Thank you
would
so
like
much.
to again compliment you are looking very beautiful, Ashna.
Thank you.
I remember Dil Ashna.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Thank you so much to both the beautiful ladies. You have given us a great, entertaining show. You have sung a song as well. And for the felicitation, I'd like to call Yogesh Mishra ji on the stage, please.